Surveys and polls. Create surveys and polls to gather responses. Surveys represent a quick and cost-efficient way to gain insights and collect data on a whole host of different topics. Surveys have several uses within education to help understand characteristics, opinions, attitudes, outcomes, insights, and ideas from learners, stakeholders, and staff. However, creating surveys, finding the right tools, and understanding the insights from these in a meaningful way can be a challenge. By the end of this short instructional video, you will be able to create surveys and polls to gather responses. Before you create a survey, it is important to be mindful of who your audience is. By understanding your audience, this will let you understand how best to get the insights that you need. You can tailor your questions to ensure that they are suitable for the target audience and will be understood by them so they can answer appropriately. It is important to then think about the aim of your survey. It is key that the aim of the survey is clear and well considered before you construct questions so that the data that you collect is relevant and can be actioned. For example, the goal of your survey might be to answer a service-based question, such as, what are the reasons why learners are engaging with library services? Once you have understood your audience and the aim of the survey, you should then consider the questions that you want to ask. It is common to go through many iterations of different questions that you think might be appropriate, and a process of creating questions and editing these further is needed to make sure that you have the most appropriate and accurate questions to help achieve your aim. It is useful to map out the questions that you want to ask and the types of answers that you want to receive. For example, do you want someone to respond with their own words or choose from a list? Do you want them to rate something numerically? You should also decide whether questions are required or optional before you create your survey. You should then consider which tool you want to use. Digital survey tools have transformed the ways that insights can be gathered. This now means that they can be done quickly, accurately, in a way that is cost-effective and easily scalable. In this next section, we will look at different tools and what they can offer. It is important to be aware that this is not an exhaustive list, and ultimately the tool that you do choose should meet your needs and that of the organisation that you work within. Also, you should consider the cost of different options and what you may have available within your organisation already.